Unveiling creativity, sketching out ideas. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's all about creativity and planning. Sketch out an idea. This expression is a gem in the English language, illustrating the initial steps in bringing your thoughts to life. Let's explore what it means to sketch out an idea and how you can use this phrase to enhance your communication skills. Sketching out an idea involves the preliminary phase of idea development. Imagine an artist with a blank canvas, lightly drawing the outlines of a masterpiece. Similarly, when you sketch out an idea, you're drawing the initial outlines of your thought or plan, but with words or brief notes instead of actual sketches. It's about capturing the essence of your idea in its raw form, allowing you to explore and refine it further. This phrase is versatile, applicable in various scenarios ranging from business meetings to creative writing sessions. Whether you're proposing a new project, planning an event, or brainstorming for a story, sketching out an idea is your first step toward materialization. You can use it to express your intention to share a preliminary plan or thought, such as, "Let's sketch out an idea for the upcoming campaign," or, "I've sketched out some ideas for the plot of my novel." To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In a team meeting, before we finalize anything, I think we should sketch out a few ideas on how to approach this project. Among friends planning a trip, we haven't decided where to go yet, but we've sketched out some ideas about our itinerary. In creative work, the writer sketched out the main idea of the story before writing the detailed script. Sketching out an idea is a powerful expression that captures the essence of creativity and planning. It's your first step in turning a thought into reality, providing a foundation to build upon. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase's meaning and inspired you to sketch out your own ideas, whether they're for work, personal projects, or just for fun. Thank you for watching, and remember, every great achievement starts with the simple act of sketching out an idea.